Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to join class on Duolingo. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Duolingo app. Make sure you have already downloaded it. Once you open up Duolingo app, you can see 3 dots on bottom right corner as shown here. Simply tap on it. Now tap on profile. Now here go to gear icon on top right corner. Now here tap on Duolingo for Schools. Once you tap on it, it will navigate you to this interface. Here you need to enter code that is shared by your teacher. So you need to ask your teacher for that code and then tap on submit button. So in this way you can join class on Duolingo. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.